Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sorry. I didn't know we were going. Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Rebecca Lee Henderson, and welcome to the Sun Salutation. So we start always by bringing our feet parallel. I like to do hip distance apart, although traditionally it's also taught with your feet right together. Big toes touching, heels slightly apart. Maybe try both out and see what feels best in your body. And just start by rooting down through your feet. Bring a nice gentle bend to the knees. And now just roll your shoulder blades or shoulders up and back and just release the shoulder blades down the back. Good, and bring your gaze forward. From here, inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. And bring a nice, generous bend to the knees here just to support the spine. Option here to either have your fingertips down on the mat if that's comfortable for you, or maybe bring them to your shins for a halfway lift. I like to have them on my shins. Yeah, lengthen through the crown of your head, long, flat back. And now exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step back, and we're just gonna step back to a tabletop position here. And I'm just gonna take a moment here just to pause. And now check out your hands first. Make sure your wrists are in line underneath your shoulders. Good, and now have a peek at your fingers and make sure all 10 fingertips are spread wide. And press the center of your fingers, your knuckles down into the mat. Good. From here, we're gonna work on building a little bit of activity through the core, a little bit of stabilization through the core. So hug in through your lower belly. And now imagine your tailbone lengthening to the wall behind you. Good. Now from here, hug in through your front ribs, and you'll start to feel a doming or broadening through your upper back. This is really, really key. So keep this, and now draw your shoulder blades a little further down your back. Good. Now from here, bring your gaze slightly forward. And bring your shoulders about 1 inch or 2 in front of your wrists. And now slowly begin bending your elbows and work to keep your elbows in line as much as you can over the wrists. Hugging your elbows to your side ribs. And now make your way down onto your belly. Now you can bring your head right down onto the mat here for a beat. I'm not going to just because of my mic and you'll hear a sound. So now we're gonna come into baby cobra. So for this, tops of the feet are pressing down into the mat, anchoring down into the earth. You're gonna charge up through your legs, hug your thigh muscles in. Hands are just up your side body, just underneath your shoulders. And now inhale, lift your sternum up. Draw your shoulder blades back. Lift up through the crown of your head. This is baby cobra. And now exhale, press back to down dog. And here traditionally we would hold for about 5 breaths. I often do it for 3. But wherever you're at in your down dog, just take a moment to first have a peek at your hands, your foundation here, and make sure they're in line with the outer edges of your shoulders. Yeah, and now have a peek at your fingers, all 10 fingertips spread wide, pressing down into the earth. And now just have a peek at your feet and make sure that they are hip distance apart and parallel. Good. Take a deep breath in, exhale out. And now gently bend your knees. Bring your gaze towards your hands and take as many steps as you need to just to walk your feet back up to your hands. Again, bringing that generous bend to the knees. Fingertips can be down on the mat if that's available to you. Also option to have your fingertips on your shins. Inhale, halfway lift, long flat spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, sweep your arms up above you. Exhale, hands to heart center. Good, relax your arms by your sides. Awesome, you did it. full sun salutation. This is a powerful sequence of poses I love doing them in the morning. They're great for really energizing and really powering up your body. So I hope you enjoyed them. If you did, give them a little like or hit subscribe. And also please leave a comment in the comment section below. I love to hear how these little sequences are going for people. Let me know if you have questions and let me know if your experience. Hope you have a great rest of your day. The light in me bows to and honors the light in every one of you. Thank you so much.